Automatic dubbing automatically translates your audio tracks into different languages and adds them to your video. Let's see how to disable or turn off YouTube automatic dubbing. Before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK for more quick tips. So let's get started. Just open up any browser in your laptop or your computer, type studio.youtube.com and press enter. Please make sure you are logged in with your channel email into the browser. Once you are in browser, please go ahead and click on settings. In the settings menu, please navigate to upload defaults. In upload defaults, please go to advanced setting. In advanced setting, please scroll a little down and here you will find an option automatic dubbing. If you want to learn more about automatic dubbing, please go ahead and click on this learn more option. You will find a complete and concise detail about YouTube automatic dubbing. So if you want to disable it, just go ahead and uncheck this tick mark and now we are ready to save it. And if you want to enable it again, you have to go to the same settings and upload defaults. And in advanced setting, you could just go ahead and enable it. Please note that you will be able to enable or disable it specifically for your every YouTube video. But you want to enable it for all of the video, you could just go ahead and check this mark. This will be automatically enabled for all of the video. And that's it, how to turn off automatic dubbing on your YouTube channel. If you ever want to enable it again, just follow the same steps. This is done in seconds. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.